Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Link-up play starts with quick, precise short passes between teammates. Use 1-2s to break defensive lines and create immediate space. Always move into the third space between opponent midfield and defense. Rotate positions after you pass to keep defenders unsure of marking. Keep team compact to shorten passing distances and reduce interception risk. Use diagonal runs to pull defenders wide and open central lanes. Prioritize timing over power when delivering through balls for controlled attackers. Practice one-touch passing drills in tight grids for 6 minutes each session. Emphasize controlled driven passes using R1+X for quick combinations. Train players to use diagonal runs and time through balls in practice mode. Set your training focus to passing and attacking in the match plan menu. Run drills against medium pressure before increasing defensive intensity to high. Repeat sequences until pass timing and first touch become instinctive under pressure. In matches, play quick 1-2s near the penalty area to disturb defensive marking. Use manual passes to feet against high defensive lines for better control. Swap to wide overloads to drag defenders out of position and create central space. Substitute fresh wingers around 70 minutes to maintain link-up energy and pressing intensity. Adjust team mentality to balanced when protecting a lead while keeping short passing priority. Read defender movement and exploit half spaces with late-arriving midfielders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.